Alright, no? So, mayroon tayong Rose and Lot package dito sa Anyana sa West Home Residence. Ito pong ating Sydney Model House. Alright, kung bago ka pa lang sa ating channel guys, no, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that bell button to get notified for whenever we release new YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram videos related sa lahat ng real estate. Because real estate appreciates the value over time. Alright, dito tayo sa Anyana, Andaltan sa location natin. It's a boundary of Mulawin and Sanha Mayor, Cavite. So, this is a mega township development project. Meron tayong coffee shop na Shetto's Best Coffee. May restaurant tayo na right now, the Ken Rogers. And meron tayong St. Ignatius House of Prayer. Maganda ang ating drainage system. Meron tayong world-class amenities dito po sa loob ng Anyana, Altansa. At meron tayong Sydney Model House. So, we have a pre-selling unit. Ito pong Sydney Model House dito po sa ating West Home Residence. Alright? So, from Metro Manila, ito po ay mga 30 minutes drive. Depende pa rin sa inyong pag-drive. So, easy access all the way to Metro Manila. So, this is a single house. So, Sydney model with a lot area of at least 80 square meters. But right now, ang mga available natin ay 100 square meters. 77 square meters in total floor area. 3 bedrooms and 2 bathroom, 2 carport. Alright, tingnan natin the model house. Right, so tamang-tama itong investment at vacation house dito sa Philippines. O tingnan nyo naman, ang ganda ng ating model house. So this is the architect's rendition, pero pwede mong pagandahin at i-enhance pa once na turnover natin yung bahay sa inyo. No? Mamaya, papakita natin yung ating actual turnover. Alright. So having a house and lot, so napakaganda because kahit ang ulam mo ay tuyo, okay lang. No? Basta mayroon kang bahay na masasabi mong akin ito. Ako naman. Alright. Ako naman ang magkakaroon ng sariling bahay. Ako naman ang magiging answered prayer. Ako naman yung magpupuntahan at bibisitahin ng aking mga kamag-anak. O, di ba? Marami kang mga rason, no? Bakit kailangan talaga siya. Need talaga yung ating housing project. But, tingnan natin po dito, guys. No? This is the living area. You have the dining area. Okay, meron kang isang split AC dito since this is the model unit. Alright, so makikita natin na ito po ay in-enhance mabuti. So, you have a bathroom right over here. Right? So, you have the bathroom. So, you have a wash area, water closet, and a shower. Of course, meron kayo isang bintana. Okay, then dito sa side na to, ito naman yung pinaka-display kitchen. So, you have a cabinet, storage, and the living area. No, very practical. Total contract price ng house natin nasa 6 million plus pesos. Available sa bank loan for 15% down payment. Down payment payable for 18 months. Ayan. So, at least meron kayo idea. So, reservation natin dito is 80,000. Ang maganda dito, during the paying of the down payment, ginagawa na yung bahay. That after the down payment, buo na yung inyong pong bahay. So, ibig sabihin, habang nagbabayad kayo, ginagawa na yung house. Dito sa likod, meron kang 2 meters na setback intended for future improvement and extension ng inyong pong bahay. So, this is the 2 meters, no? Ito po yung laging requirement, no? Dito po sa loob ng subdivision. This is the setback. Nasa deed of restrictions po ito. Then, tingnan natin yung parking. Ayan. So, kasya dalawang sasakyan. Ayan. So, tamang-tama sa dalawang sasakyan, guys. Okay. Tingnan natin yung likod. Reservation natin dito is 80,000 pesos. At ang monthly natin nasa description below. So, if you're interested or anyone interested to buy and check out the property dito sa Anyana, message us today on the numbers visible on the screen. Now, tingnan natin sa itaas. Now, makita natin yung atin pong bedroom. Right. Okay, so tamang-tama ito sa mga may anak na 2 or 3. Right, ito sa taas. So, you have a common shower dito sa taas. Ayan siya. Nice, right? Okay. Then dito sa side nito, you have this is the first bedroom. Ayan. Right, so you have a bunk bed. Ang ganda ng bunk bed, oh. Alright. So meron kaming tripping, free tripping po tayo, no, from Jcomoa. Requirements natin dito, pag marriage contract, 2 valid IDs for both buyers, TIN, verified, 3 months latest payslip, proof of billing address, and proof of income. Sa processing ng bank financing, so kami po ano pa-process ng loan. Alright, so 6 months bago matapos yung inyo pong down payment, so we will process your bank financing na. Ayan. Wala tayong move-in fee. Alright, walang move-in fee here. So, meron tayong payment for the water connection and electric. Ayan, minimal lang po siya. Pangalan nyo na po yan. Pero move-in fee, wala po. So, basically, sa taas, meron kang 3 bedrooms and a common bathroom. Right. So, this is the model unit. No, tingnan natin the actual turnover. Okay. Shout out po sa lahat ng ating mga clients all over the globe for always tuning in our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok videos. Alright. So, marami tayo. Nakasiparit na po ngayon yung ating pong project selling and then the brokerage. Alright. Pero guys, tingnan nyo naman ang paligid natin, no? Maraming puno, African trees, at ang ganda ng ating community, no? Very modern, at malapad ang ating mga kalsada. So lahat ng bahay ay may access sa kalsada, sa common road. Though this is the actual turnover, no? Kaya namnamin natin, no? Right, so mayroon tayong dalawang variant ng kulay, no? Ito isa, ito yung pangalawa. The floor plan is the same, layout the same, facade, exterior the same. Okay, so tingnan natin yung actual turnover. So you have a concrete parking. Dito nakalagay yung septic tank. So kasya dalawang sasakyan. 100 square meters ang ating available right now. At least pro-rata yung pinaka payment. Then ganito na ito turnover yung ating mga bahay. Right. The Sydney Model House, floor plan. Okay, so tingnan natin the floor plan. Ito yung may baba. Ayan. So, kasya dalawang sasakyan because your lot is up to here. Okay, then you have the ground floor, the second floor, and then the second bedroom. The second floor, by the way, this is the Sydney Model House. So, smallest unit natin. And yet, pinakamalaki na ito sa ibang mga subdivision. Kanya na siya, guys. Oh, di ba? Ang nice. Okay, so wala tayong gaano maraming editing, no? To make sure this is a real time. Ayan, ma-enjoy niyo po siya. Makikita niyo yung ganda at ang lawak ng atin pong property. Okay, so you have straight counter. And then, over here, you have a shower area. Plus, the 2 meters setback sa likod. Intended for improvement. So, ganito po. Okay, balik tayo doon sa pinakaharapan. The parking area. Okay, the reservation fee is 80,000 pesos. So, ang reservation, kung nasa abroad kayo, ay we will assist nyo yung inyo pong reservation kasi meron tayong online reservation. Right. So, taas, tingnan po natin. Okay, so may hagdanan ka dito, guys. Right? O, di ba? At least, answered prayer, no? Small house, but you know, mas magandang magkaroon ka ng sariling bahay. Alright. And malapit ito sa school, sa mall, sa hospital, sa lahat ng pangangailangan. Right, common shower sa taas. The first bedroom. Look, nice, di ba? Okay. The second bedroom. Oh, nice. And then, the master bedroom. Look. Oh, diba? Nice. Okay, guys. Alright. Okay, so bababa tayo, no? Para sa ating recap nito pong ating Sydney Model House. Alright, guys. So, dito tayo sa medyo harapan. no? Namnamin natin yung iyong pinaghihirapan o yung pagsisikap mong magkaroon ng isang property na masasabi mong ito ay talaga ay akin. Alright. So, with the lot area of 100 square meters, right now, yung inventory natin 100 square meters. Floor area 77 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom, and a 2 carport. 6 million plus pesos yung pinaka-total contract price. So, if you are interested or anyone interested, message us today. 15% down payment. Ang down payment ay payable over 18 months. Pwede pa nating pa-approve. Then, habang binabayaran ng down payment, ginagawa na yung bahay. So, after the down, buo na yung house. Once we receive the letter of guarantee and the loan proceeds from the bank, we will turn over the property. Ganun lang dyan. Plus, meron tayong 1-year warranty sa ating workmanship. Of course, since this is a bank financing, meron po yan si bank mga MRI and then fire insurances. Ayan. If you are interested or anyone interested, message us today on the numbers below. So my name is Ray. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless everybody.